Hey everyone, Kyle here, and today we're talking about the best free Shopify apps you need to boost your sales. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your store to the next level, these apps can help you scale without breaking the bank. I'll walk you through the top 3 must-have apps that can truly transform your Shopify store and share a few tips along the way to maximize their potential. Shopify by default comes with great features like templates, shopping carts, and payment processing. But if you want to scale your business and cater to specific needs, you'll want to extend its functionality. That's where apps come in. Shopify's apps ecosystem is packed with third-party tools that can streamline operations, enhance the shopping experience, and ultimately drive sales. But here's the key. Not all apps are created equal. You don't want to overload your site with unnecessary add-ons because that can slow down and hurt your conversions. Instead, focus on installing apps that solve specific challenges or create growth opportunities for your business. Now let's get into the 3 apps that you should be using right now. And now the first app would be Smile, Loyalty and Rewards. Retaining customers is just as important as getting new ones, and that's where loyalty programs come to play. Smile lets you set up points and reward system where repeat customers can earn discounts, freebies, or exclusive offers. And the best part, it's easy to customize. You can tailor your rewards to fit your store's needs, boosting customer retention and increasing repeat purchases. It's a win-win because existing customers are typically much cheaper to sell to, meaning this app can drive your profits up without a huge marketing spend. And now the second app is TDO Live Chat and AI Chatbot for customer support. Having a great customer support can make or break your business, but as a small Shopify store owner, you probably don't have the time or budget to be available 24/7. That's where TDO comes in. TDO offers live chat and AI-driven chatbots that can answer customer questions at any time. Whether it's helping with order inquiries, shipping details, or common questions, these chatbots can easily ensure that your customers are never left hanging. And because TDO integrates smoothly with Shopify, it's super easy to set up and start using right away. It's like having a customer support team working for you around the clock. And now the last app is Tidal Product Reviews app. This one is a must-have because it helps build trust with your customers. Think about it. How many times have you bought something online because of positive reviews? Shoppers want to see what others are saying before they hit buy. The good news is Tidal is super easy to set up. It integrates seamlessly into your store, letting customers leave feedback directly on your product pages. If you're looking for something more advanced with photo or video capabilities, you can check out other options like the premium subscription, like also other apps like Snap.io or Yotpo. But for basic text reviews, I think the free version of Tidal will work perfectly for most stores. Now here's a very important tip for you. Remember to not overload your site. While it's tempting to install every flashy app that you see, remember that each app adds background processes to your store. This can slow down your site, which is a big no. A slow loading site can lead to cart abandonment and lost sales. So be selective about which apps you use and make sure they add value to your store without hurting its performance. So those are the top 3 free Shopify apps that I recommend, with Tidal, Smile, and TDO. You're setting up your store for success by boosting social proof, retaining customers, and providing great customer service. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.